we shall reflect on the life of Saint Charles Borromeo. Saint Charles received the tonsure at the age of 12 and his doctorate in civil and canon law at the age of 21. Called to Rome by his uncle Pope Pius IV in 1560, he was made administrator of the Papal States, cardinal, deacon, and papal legate. At the age of 22, though still only a deacon, he was appointed administrator of the Archdiocese of Milan. At the Pope's command, the suspended Ecumenical Council of Trent was reassembled, and with Charles as the very soul of the council, enacted specific clarifications of doctrine and church reform. Charles, who had meanwhile been ordained priest, was now consecrated Archbishop of Milan, but was detained in Rome for a while to revise the Roman Catechism, Missal and Breviary, as well as to reform church music and the Roman Curia in accordance with the council's decrees. In Milan, he instituted the greatest simplicity and economy, sold his valuable furniture and 3 armed galleys, limited his food to 1 meal a day and his sleep to 4 hours. Probably the most influential figure of the Counter-Reformation, Charles crowded an unbelievable amount of work into his remaining 19 years of life. He reformed his 3,000 clergy, founded and endowed 6 exemplary seminaries and the Swiss College in Milan, which did for Switzerland what Douai was doing for England. Lay catechists for his confraternity of Christian doctrine prepared children for the sacraments. In remote villages, he instituted new parishes and monasteries, won innumerable souls from witchcraft and heresy, preached and distributed Holy Communion for hours at a stretch. A new spirit animated the clergy and laity when it was seen that he did not hesitate to even sit by the roadside and instruct an old man or some children. When the plague raged in Milan for 2 years, Charles calmly made his will, prepared himself for death, and then proceeded to visit the hospitals and homes of the victims. During a great famine, he provided food daily for over 3,000 poor people, even going into debt for them when his own funds and those he had solicited from others were exhausted. Charles Borromeo died on the 3rd of November 1584 at Milan, aged 46. He was canonized by Pope Paul V on the 1st of November 1610, and he is venerated as the patron of catechists and is invoked against pestilence.